Oh, what the? What? Ew, what the? I'm trying to cuss. Lord have mercy. What is? Hey y'all, it's your girl LaCrystal and Rakaya, and today we are doing a funny challenge, and it was Rakaya's idea. So Rakaya, go ahead and tell them what we're doing today.
So I'm gonna be doing her makeup, but it's gonna be products coming out of the refrigerator, so it's gonna be extra funny.
And I'm not really looking forward to this, but it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be cute, you know, for her. I just did my skin routine, so I don't know why I signed up for this, but anything for y'all. Anything for y'all. Let's get right into the video.
Okay, guys, I need to go get the stuff out of the refrigerator that I used for her makeup.
And while she does that, I'm not gonna look because I want it to be more fun. Like, I don't want to know what she's using, so I'm just gonna cover my eyes until she gets back. Might speed this part up because she's gonna take a while. I know her.
Now we're getting started. Let's get to the video. This is what I'm using for her cheeks.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn around because my eye itch. And I gotta open it. And don't tease me for the way I wipe my eyes. These are my eyes. Okay. I feel like I'm blinking. You know how you fake sleep and you be blinking still? That's what I'm doing right now. And I guess I'm nervous because I know she about to be real childish. As a child should, but... Oh, what the... What? Ew, what the... I'm trying to cuss. Lord have mercy. What is that? It stink. What is that? Don't tell me. Oh my... I know what the hell... Oops, forgive me, God. I know what that is. Oh my gosh. Why did I sign up for this? Like, LaCrystal, you know better than this. With an 8-year-old. Come on, hurry up. Oh my... Oh, come on, hurry up. Oh, hurry up. What happened to the foundation? I'm glad you used this for blush. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I might not never look at this stuff the same. I might not ever eat it again. I know exactly what this is from the smell.
Okay, now it's time to use... I'm about to use this for her nose, like for the highlighter, where the highlighter goes. So yeah, this will be a little highlighter.
Oh my god, I hope it ain't bad. It's gonna be on my nose. Did you clean the brush off, Kaya?
Yeah. I can't put this one in. But... Actually, no, it has to be this one. Let me open this. Actually, no, I'm using this for her.
I'm about to find me a new makeup artist because it don't take this long to get nobody ready for, you know, their face. The world. Ugh! Why is all this? Oh, I'm about to say, why all this stuff cold, but duh, came out the refrigerator. Oh my gosh. I'm glad it don't stink. Highlighter go on your forehead now? You just having a ball. I think what she doing is taking all her anger out. Like when I be yelling at her for doing bad stuff, because I don't hit my kids, but when I be like, okay, you on punishment, even though it lasts for like 10 seconds, I think that's what she's doing right now. Revenge. Because this was her idea, like I said, so she probably was already out to get me. So what are you doing now? Is that my foundation or something?
Yeah.
Or are you contouring?
I'm contouring.
Please don't get it in my hair. That's all I ask. Oh my gosh. Kai, don't get in my hair, seriously. What's on the get down the corner of my eyes. Itching, itching. Get it.
What?
What's right here?
Oh, sorry.
It's itching. Hurry up. Whew. Oh, much better.
You exaggerate too much.
No, that was really itching. What you know about exaggerating?
You say that to Darius all the time.
Oh, okay.
Okay. It's time for it's time for lipstick. This is what I'm gonna use for lipstick. Okay.
This is probably gonna be the worst part. Oh my god. That didn't feel good.
Okay, now. So guys, now it's time for her eyeshadow. That's the last thing. I'm using this for her eyeshadow. And it's old. See how hard that is? Yeah. Trying to get that creamy. Okay, now we're doing the next eye. So when we get that creamy part of the icing, it's the creamy part. Here. Okay, now we're doing the next eye. Okay. You can look.
What in the world? I look like a clown, a bootleg clown. Oh my god. Oh my. I do look kind of cute though. Oh my god. This is like. And she just having a ball. Like, this really stinks. I almost cussed on camera, and I don't never cuss. Well, I did one time. But I don't cuss on camera. Like, ooh. It's only fair that I do my little pose for y'all.
Okay, because my mom will get me back up because we're going to do a part 2 and she's going to be doing my makeup with stuff coming out of the refrigerator, so she's going to get me back, so it'll be alright.
Alright y'all, so that was the end of this video. I hope y'all got y'all little laughs out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell. And if you are just now looking at this video, go ahead and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, I really appreciate you. You don't know how much it means to me to have you click on my channel, little old me, so it means a lot to me. And to my supporters that have always been here, y'all know I love y'all. Y'all know how we rock it. So, like I said, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment. I just said that. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see y'all later. Bye.